Hello guys, my name is Devesh and welcome to my channel. This is the 22nd lecture on the series Python for Beginners, and in this lecture we will continue with our discussion on if-else statement. In the last lecture we got familiar with the syntax of if-else statement, and we also wrote a program to determine whether the given number is even or odd. Now let us take another example. I want to write a program to determine whether a given number is divisible by 6 or not. The way we do that is the number should be divisible by 2 and the number should be divisible by 3. If a number is divisible by both 2 and 3, that means it is divisible by 6. So that is the divisibility test for 6. Okay, so let's write this divisibility test using if-else statement. Okay, so what I'm saying, whatever is the given number, if it is divisible by 2, that is m% of that number returns 0, and I am using a logical AND operator here, and I am saying given number m% with 3 should also return 0. If both these conditions are true, in that case the number is divisible by 6. So I can write x is divisible by 6, else x is not divisible by 6. Okay, let's run this program. X is not divisible by 6. Let's take a number which is divisible by 6. Let's take 12. So x is divisible by 6 here. So like this you can use a logical AND operator to put a check for multiple condition in if statement. What if I don't want to hard code this value here? Instead I want the user to enter the value, and then we will check in our program whether the entered value is divisible by 6 or not. The way we can do that is we can use a input function here like this, and whatever value the user enters in the command line, that is captured here through input, and that is assigned to x. Now the question arises, user can enter any value here. He can enter a string, he can use a float, he can use a boolean, right? And I have written my program only for integer data type. So what I can do is I can simply typecast it using int function. So whatever values the user enters as an input, that is typecasted into integer, and that value is assigned to x. Okay, so let's run the program now. Let that number be 216 and hit enter. X is divisible by 6. Let's rerun the program one more time, and let's enter a number 125 and hit enter. Okay, let's improvise this program further. How does the user know that he has to enter a number? Enter a number to test its divisibility with 6. Okay, let's run now. Enter a number to test its divisibility with 6. Okay, let's enter the number now, 512, and hit enter. X is not divisible by 6. Let's make it even better. Instead of hard coding the letter x, here we can have the number itself. So the variable x is assigned this value, so I can say x comma and string x comma and quotation mark to close this string. Let's run this. Okay, let's give the number 618, hit enter. 618 is divisible by 6. Okay, so this is the program to test divisibility for 6. I want you to write a program which tests the divisibility for 15. Give it a try, and if you have any questions, do post them on the comments. That's all for this video, and I'm gonna see you at the next lecture. Thanks for watching.